problem with my neck that causes me headache, very bad headache, that I cannot really function like without taking any pain reliever. So I really take, you know, my normal day. I will take tramadol, ibuprofen, paracetamol, and then I was thinking it will destroy my kidney eventually. So I thought of seeing other therapists like a physiotherapist, osteotherapist, acupuncturist actually, and I go to massage therapists as well, but they are just temporary. By the time sometimes I did not even go out of the room, my pain is back, or I'm driving back home, my pain is back. And then one time I'm desperate again of, you know, looking for another therapist. And then I know that I said maybe my situation is an occipital neuralgia. And then when I did that one, I saw Dr. Win's acupuncture name come up. And I was reading about him, and I said, oh, maybe I should try him, because for 7 years I've been having this pain, and yeah, it affects my life. I cannot really function very well without taking any pain relievers. And then I went to him. I already have 6 sessions, maybe around 6 to 7 weeks, because I think one time I went somewhere, but it's my 7th week with 6 sessions, and I can feel the difference. Like I don't take my pain reliever anymore ever since. And I still, there's a bit of pain, but it is very tolerable. Like, I'm here, I'm smiling, I still come here like every week. So yeah, I do know that acupuncture will help, but the right acupuncture is the problem. And I think Dr. Win is so far the best. He is the best. And one time when I was here, I even saw my friend, and yeah, we saw each other again yesterday, and we agreed that Dr. Win is a very good acupuncture. It's just the needle and the cupping, and that's it. It doesn't treat, you know, it doesn't point to where my problem is. But Dr. Win has another. I tell him, oh, I like your big needle, Dr. Win, like that one that really makes me, you know, it is not easy, but it makes a difference. That kind of needle that he does at the end, it's a big needle, I know, and it makes a difference, really. I know it hurts, but no pain, no gain. I think he knows what kind of headache that is coming from, like, no, that comes from your neck, or that comes from, you know, like, so I tell him it's coming, yeah, this part of my head and not that part of my head. And
make the video, then put this video in my website.
Okay, that's all good.